Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I will explain you a basic simulation of the speed control of DC motor with the help of Arduino Uno inside the tinkercad. The technique which we are using to control the speed of the motor is actually the PWM or pulse width modulated technique, in which we will generate different pulses of different duty cycles or pulse widths to control the speed of the motor. So let's get started, and we will first get our Arduino Uno controller, and we have got our Arduino Uno. Now you can see that on its digital pinouts there are some pins which are having some tilde signs or hyphen signs, like pin 3, pin 5, pin 6, pin 9, 10 and 11. So these are actually the pulse width modulated pins. We can apply some different duty cycle signals on them. Okay, now we will get our motor. This is our DC motor. Okay, we will take, because Arduino cannot rotate a heavy motor like this, so we will use some sort of NPN transistor. So here is our BJT. Also we will take one battery, and we have to use 4 batteries here. Okay, now also we need one resistor, because we cannot apply the signal of 5 volt or some high voltages from 3 to 5 volts on the base of the NPN transistor. Base just need a very small signal for its operation. So it's better not to apply some heavy voltages. So here our resistor must be like 220 ohm. It is also a current limiting resistor. So we will start now. Now we will connect our collector with the positive side of the batteries, or positive terminals of the batteries. Okay, okay, this way. Okay, now we will connect our emitter with that of the positive end of the DC motor. Okay, the negative terminal with that of the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, now we will go towards our code. So here, okay, now here we have declared our PWM pin as the pin number 3. We have also declared a variable VAL in which we have stored 0, but here now we will store 10 in it. Okay, first we will apply 0. Okay, then we will I initialize the serial communication, although we are not using in it, but still it's okay. Analog write PWM pin comma value means that if value variable contains 0, so 0 is applied on the PWM pin. So its duty cycle is 0, means that its positive half or positive portion of the signal is 0. So it does not meant for to run the motor because it's 0. So now we will see that either it is running or not. Now we can see that there isn't any sort of RPM. Okay, now we will go and we will just change it to 3, although it is very less, but still hopefully no, not at all, not at all. So now we will increase it to like 6, 0 RPM, they are very low. So we will 10. Now it will run a bit. No, still not. So we have to increase like 30 or 40 because we have used the resistor of 220 ohm. So it drops a lot of voltages. So now we will start with 80. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. We have done one mistake, that we must connect ground with the ground of the motor. Okay, arduino ground and all the ground must be connected with each other. Grounds must be common, or it is not going to work at all. So we will, okay, we will again change it to 10, and then we will start. No, it started. It's having like 350 or 300 RPM. So now we will increase it to 20. It's now 600. Stop simulation, then 50. Now 50 is applied on. Now it is around 1500 to 1700 RPMs. Okay, so we will stop simulation. We will write here 100, and from 1700 it is going towards the 3100 RPMs. Okay, now we will apply 150. I write here 150, and here we will get our 49 or 5000 RPMs. Okay, now we will apply 255, which is the highest value we can use. 255, and now this is the maximum RPM which we can get, like 8393 RPM. We cannot move above to these RPM, so they are our maximum RPM. So in this way you can apply the commands and can control the speed of the motor. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for visiting and thanks for watching this tutorial.